Hi everyone, it's Carrie with a Pinch of Salt, and I am going to talk you through our August subscription box project. This month we have this super cute autumn sign to get you ready for the fall season. It comes with the word autumn, the background, the pumpkins, a little sunflower, leaves, and an acorn, and the stand. I did make a mistake and put 7 paint pods on the insert, but there's actually only 6. I did mix the cream and the brown for the top of the acorn to make it a little bit lighter color. But you can, use the paint however you'd like it. Remember when you're painting over the engraved words to not have a ton of paint. I paint around the edges and then I use the accent, the smallest amount of paint that's left on my sponge to just barely brush over where the engraved words are, because you don't want to fill those in with paint because then you won't be able to see them. So extremely almost dry sponge, if that makes sense. I did paint everything, I glued it all together, and then I did tie the raffia on. This raffia, you can tie just the one string on, the smallest string goes to the acorn, but you can easily tear it to make it like sprawl out a little bit if you want to like expand the pieces of the raffia. I did it when it was glued on, and I probably would have maybe done it before I had glued it on. The pumpkins I did. The pumpkins I had glued on, and then I did it, as you can see right here. So I would maybe do that before you glue it all together. But that's all I have. I did add some dots to the word autumn with my white paint pen that I have. You could also use the end of the brush that I have provided for you guys. But you also... this is what I was trying to say. I did some like splatter painting over it. That's why I have the brown paper behind me. So a little bit of paint on a brush and just flick it on there. And that's it. That's all I did. So I hope you guys have a good time creating your project.